guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the new year. Happy New Year, everyone. I am back from my hiatus that I've kind of taken since I think either late November or early December. I am back from a 40-hour work week and spending time with my friends and family, here for you guys with a very delayed Christmas haul. First though, before we get into that, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who supported me in 2018. You guys mean the world to me. I loved reading all your comments. I read them all the time. They make me so happy, and you guys are the best. And yeah, I just really appreciate that, and I hope you guys continue to support me in 2019, and let's have a really fun year. Alright, so for Christmas this year, my parents are the greatest people ever. I love them so much. They're just the best, and I love them a lot. I did quite a bit of shopping for myself this Christmas just because I know what I like. However, my parents did get me the greatest freaking thing ever, and we're gonna get to that. However, we're gonna start off with some smaller things. So every Christmas, stockings, we get an orange, we get some chocolate. I can't show you those things because I already devoured them, especially the chocolate. It was gone in like a minute. However, some other small things that I was able to snatch up from stockings and all that this Christmas. For those who don't think this is awesome, I think this is awesome. My carpet that I got from IKEA in the summer does this thing where it like folds up on itself, like here. This is gonna be hashtag vlog style. Where is my carpet? There it is. Do we see it? That little roll thing? Yeah, it likes to do that all the time. So my parents got me tape to make it not do that, and I literally almost cried. I was so happy. Ugh, it was so good. Another practicality gift, texting gloves. I have recently got into Pokemon Go again and have been going out late night Pokemon hunting like a nerd in one of our local parks with my friend. And my hands get so cold, so they got me texting gloves, and I'm like, thank you so much. My hands will no longer be cold. It's great. I love them. Practical gifts. The best. Another just little stocking stuffer is, it's a little pom-pom pudding squishy. I just thought it was really cute. It's not like the gummy squishies that I don't really like, and it's not like the memory foam ones. It's like, it kind of feels dry and chalky, but I like it. Is that weird? I got it from Claire's. It was really good. They have all the Sanrio characters, so recommend. I got a little Pusheen. So cute. I have the big version of this that makes noise, and I think the small one is just so cute for like backpacks. It'd be so cute. So snatched him up when he came into the store. Oh, we got headband. Ooh, for doing makeup and things. Oh, also, yeah, I'm blonde now. I dyed my hair back to blonde. It's also gotten a lot longer because you guys mostly see it under wigs, but it's gotten longer and it's gotten blonder. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, I've never been a big fan, but like, okay, some of the ones she's come out with recently are just really good. I snatched myself up this donut jojobo. You can't tell me that's not just the cutest thing. Cause like with like, my thoughts for this were the Christmas sparkles sprinkle on top dress with this bow. Perfection. Another practical thing that was just really cute, and I'm like, home decor, yes, was this little rainbow piggy bank, which is also from Claire's. So is the JoJo bow. I just thought it was super cute, and I'm like, hey, I'm gonna put my change in here because I have a lot of it and I never use it, and I'm like, let's save it up in something cute and practical. Yes! Another cute little thing. This was a little pre-Christmas shopping I had done with Vic, aka the Misfit Vic. I found this cup, and it's like the Mario coin block, and I originally was thinking I'm gonna get this for my brother, but he's kind of got he's grown into this aesthetic recently, like old kind of Lord of the Rings orc-esque like dungeon. He's really into Dungeons and Dragons, so I decided against it, but I'm like, hey, you know what would look really cute in here? Either pens, pencils, like a little, you know, pen pencil holder, or a little succulent plant. Can you imagine that? Just a little succulent plant in this? It's so cute, because I definitely would not drink out of this. It's a square. Do you know how awkward that would be? Like, if you're sipping from here, it's just gonna come out here. So it's not a useful cup, but it is a useful succulent holder, I think. So I thought that was really cute. Also, from the Winners and Michael, or Winners, Marshalls, all them, was I got some frames. This wall here, this pink one, I want to deck out with photos, Polaroids, drawings, fan art. I want to put it all here and have that as one of my main backgrounds. That's what I plan to do for 2019. I finally have my shelves up, and there will be a room tour coming soon. Sneak peek, there they are. I have all my bags along them, so very excited about that coming soon. But I got some frames, which I thought were really cool. So I got this one, which is like very sparkly. It is so cute. I want to put the picture of Vic and I when we were in Japan last year. Wow, I have to say that, last year. Last year though, in this frame. I'll put a picture of it here, but I think it would look super cute in this frame. I want to put it on my desk, or maybe I'll put it up on the wall. TBH, I'm still debating on where I want to put it, but I think that was just a cute picture frame. It was only like $3. Like, you can't say no to that. It's such a deal. Like, you go into Winners or Marshalls and like everything, because it's kind of like warehouse prices. Like, you can get brand things in there, but they're like half price, and I'm like, whew, you just have to snatch them up right away. I got this camera one, which I just thought was really, really cool. So my idea for this is I want to paint this part lavender, and then I'm thinking this part like a pale yellow, like the accents. Do we think yes? Do we think no? I'm still debating, but this one was actually not $9.99. It was $4.99. So score, cause like, look at that. That's just a really cute picture frame, and I thought, I'm like, I'm gonna snatch that up. The last picture frame that I got, I've been really obsessed with collecting these recently, is this one, and I'm thinking I just want to paint it like a pale blue, like a baby blue. I just loved the details in the corner. I thought they were very sweet and cute, and it's just a nice little picture frame. My brother is the sweetest little thing ever. So for Christmas, we do order a lot of things off of Amazon. Generally, it's like little knickknacks for the house, like gloves and I don't know, a hat. However, we got some DVDs this year, and my brother asked my mom if he could get me this movie, Howl's the Moving Castle. For those who don't know, this is definitely, by not far, but it is my favorite Ghibli movie. It's like my number one, my top 3. It's just, I love it so much. It's so sweet, and now I have it on Blu-ray and DVD. It's so cute. I love this movie so much. If you haven't seen it, watch it. It's so good. Like, oh, yes, Howl. So good. He also got me, with me begging and having to come with him to get it, this magnificent cat tote. I work in a mall. I work at Claire's, for those who don't know, and there's a store in the mall. It's like a shoe store, but they also sell like bags and everything, kind of like shoe stores do. And I saw this bag come out from, right now, it would have been about 4 or 5 months ago, and I'd been staring at it forever, and I was like, oh, next paycheck I'll get it, next paycheck I'll get it. But I never like went around to that side of the mall because I was busy. And so my brother was like, do you really want that cat tote? And I'm like, yes. And so one day we went and got it, and he's like, I'm gonna wrap it up for you for Christmas, and I'm like, thank you. I love it so much. It's pink. It is just white on the back, but I ain't even mad. Just look how cute that cat is. It also zips up, which is like really nice, because like I do like a protected tote. It's got pockets in here, right there, and another zipper. It's also pink inside, which is amazing. But I just love it so much. It's just really freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna be like the happiest cat mom of this tote ever, because it's so cute. The next thing, which was a total surprise to me, I love my parents so much, is I was in Michael's with my mom the other day, and if you've ever been into a Michael's, they have like the front section that kind of displays certain products that are on sale. And so there was this rainbow cart organizer, and it was on sale for like 49 bucks. And I'm like, oh, I have the cash to do that. I should get that right now. Like I want it for my room. And my mom's like, no, where would you put it? Little did I know, she was stashing that away in her brain, keeping that notes for Christmas, because my parents for Christmas surprised me with the rainbow organizing cart thing. I love them so much. That's exactly where it's going. It's going right there. My room is very messy right now. My apologies. I'm going to be showing you disgustingness. But my parents actually took my closet doors off. As you can see, there's no more closet doors because they were in my way. I like my dresser. I like to be able to see it. I like to be able to see my dresses and my shoes. That I'm going to be fixing and putting in rainbow boxes. So a room tour will come once that's finished. But I am very excited. I'm going to be using it as a nightstand for like my iPad and all that, because my dad hates me having it on my bed. So, oh my gosh, my parents are the best. Another thing that my parents and me, I ordered it, but I said they could put it from them, was these shoes. Yay! They're so cute. Oh my gosh. I have been idolizing these shoes forever, and so I got online, I ordered them, they came really quick. There's also, like, you can get the detachable parts for them because these are just velcroed on, so you can like get dinosaurs, the ponies, these ones, and angel hearts, yes. But they're so cute. I got the Kiki and Lala one. They're just so cute. Can we just appreciate? Oh, we love some pastel shoes. They're so cute. However, by far, I was most surprised when my parents gave me this gift. I was so shook. I was quaking. Let me just recreate exactly what happened right now. So on Christmas, I unboxed my freaking dream shoes. I was like, oh, can't do that too much. My head hurts a little. Oh my gosh, look at these. I am so blessed and grateful to have parents that understand how to use the internet for this kind of thing. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. I like don't even want to wear them outside. I haven't actually worn them outside yet because I'm like, I need to get at least one good photo of them before I absolutely just destroy how beautiful and white they are. They're just so pretty. I'm gonna be walking on clouds. These are definitely like a summertime shoe. I don't want to wear these out in the winter, but they're so pretty. Like the ribbon, the lace, the sparkles, the everything. It's just so good. Hi, I'll just forever be here with these amazing shoes. Okay, so the last thing is kind of a little exciting. And by a little exciting, I mean a lot. Very exciting. So the reason why, and I know this is not to brag, this Christmas was absolutely amazing, and I don't want to like judge it. It was you know, a good Christmas. I bought a lot of my gifts myself with my own cash. My brother and my parents, they did get me a few things there, but we kept Christmas down a little bit this year for the fact that my mom and I are going back to Japan this year in May. I am so excited to be going with my mom. We are like beyond excited that it is less than 6 months away because we are leaving May 24th. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So for Christmas, I got my mom matching slippers. She got the purple ones and I got the pink ones, which is also kind of what this is as well. I got her a matching purple one, so we're gonna be very relaxed on the plane. But I am very excited to share with you guys another Japan vlog series because it is coming come probably the summertime. I'm very excited though. I'm very grateful. I actually knew about this last year. My mom and I booked the tickets last year in June actually, right after I came back from Japan because I just was like, oh, Mom, we need to go together. It was so much fun. But we decided to wrap up our plane tickets for Christmas and make a little joke out of it for my dad and my brother. But we are heading back to Japan! Yay! So I am very excited for 2019 and what it holds. This is gonna be our year, guys, so let's have some fun with it. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. Again, thank you so much for supporting me in 2018. I hope you continue to support me in 2019. Let's have a blast, and I love you guys so much. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!